Hey, does this sound like you? Working a job, feeling unfulfilled, living from paycheck to paycheck, knowing that you should be doing more than what you're doing right now, not making enough on your current job. Does any one of those things sound like you? Well, you want to check out this entire video today. I'm telling you the truth. So go ahead, tap in, let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to announce a giveaway. Listen, I want to help you on your journey, so I will be giving away one of these options to a blessed winner. You can choose a 1 hour coaching call on real estate, or you can choose a 1 hour coaching call on how to grow your monthly income. You can also choose a month to attend two of my classes that are held monthly on real estate. First winner will be announced once we've reached 100 subs. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to announcing the winner on our giveaway live, so stay tuned. Now, on to the video. Listen, y'all, my goal today is to help point you in the right direction, help you to see that if you implement some of the things that I share with you today, you can be headed in the right direction financially. That's all I want to do. I want to open your eyes to let you know that it absolutely is possible for you to have a life that you can be happy with and that you can be proud of. Are you ready to get into what we have to talk about today? Do you want to have a better life? Well, if you are, let's continue to talk about these points so that you can start changing and going in the direction that you want to go. Point number one, you have to be a person of discipline. Listen, I don't care how much money you have. In order to be successful, discipline has to be a part of your life. Discipline determines how your money goes out, and it determines how your money comes in. Will you be an individual that spends unnecessarily, or will you be that individual that saves? Will you be the one that counts the cost? Will you be the one that pays attention to detail? Will you be disciplined so that you can handle the finances that you get properly? Sometimes people don't like hearing about discipline because all they want to do is do what they want to do. Discipline comes at a cost that oftentimes people aren't willing to pay. So consequently, they remain the same. Discipline has to be the thing that pushes you along when you don't feel like doing what you need to do. You have to be willing to discipline yourself now so that you can enjoy things later. I believe everybody watching this video will become people of discipline, so they will find themselves in a space where they can be financially free. Again, discipline is going to be one of those things that cause you to turn the mirror around and look at yourself and evaluate the decisions that you make to find out why you're in the position that you're in. So become a person of discipline, become a person of detail, become a person that looks at their situation and determines that they're going to be disciplined in their actions so that they can go down the path that they want to go so they can be financially free. Hey guys, will y'all do me a quick favor? If you don't mind, go ahead and start letting me know what you think about what we've discussed already. We appreciate your comments in advance. And while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys' engagement in advance. Now, let me tell y'all about this other point. Point number two, create new habits. Discipline will cause you to create these habits and lead you down the road of productivity. Creating these new money habits will allow you to go to the financial freedom place that you desire to go. You can't spend everything and expect progress to occur. Just like you can't save everything and expect to be rich. You have to create a money flow habit so that you allow money to consistently to flow to you rather than flowing away from you. So, what platform are you creating? What service are you providing? What product are you giving out that will allow that avenue to come to allow money to flow into your life? What money habits are you creating in your life that will allow you to discipline yourself and create a consistent flow of income to show up in your life? What daily habit are you implementing that will cause you to think about opportunities versus stagnation and no productivity? What are you doing with your daily actions that will either cause you to be productive and increase or stay stagnant and decrease? What habits are you willing to create? What habits are you willing to start creating in your life so that things can finally start changing in your life? And let me ask you this last question. Do you wake up in the morning saying, hey, what can I do to change my life today? Or do you wake up and say, I'm just going to go ahead and go through the motions? Because the way you answer that question will determine the kind of habit that you create. And once you create a habit, that's the road that you are creating for your life. So if you're not creating productive habits, you're going to have a life that's not going to produce much for you. But if you create a life that has productive habits, you will find yourself going down the path of financial freedom, creating money flow, creating productivity, creating all the things that you desire so that you can live the life that you desire to live. So, point number two, we have to create new habits. I like to get into specifics with you as an individual on how you can break free financially. And in order to do that, I've set up coaching calls that will allow me and you to have an individual conversation to help you get to the place where you want to get to. So all you have to do is check the links in the comments or check the links in the description for the coaching call that is called How to Make $10,000 Monthly or How to Increase My Income to $10,000 a Month so that I can help aid you on your financial journey. Does that sound good to you? Again, if it does, check the links in the comments and check the links in the description and sign up for that coaching call so that we can get you well on your way to making $10,000 a month at a minimum. We appreciate you guys for checking out this video today. Let us know what you guys thought about what we talked about today down in the comment section. We love to hear your responses. We love to hear what you think about what we talked about. Let's start a conversation down there and let's get that popping. All right. We appreciate you guys again for checking out this video today, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.